Welcome! If you want to make your Facebook profile easier to find through search engines like Google, there's a simple way to do it, thanks to a new update on Facebook for PC. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick steps to allow search engines outside of Facebook to link directly to your profile. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your account profile photo. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage all aspects of your Facebook account. Next, look for the section called How People Can Find and Contact You. This section controls who can look you up and how they can reach you on Facebook. Scroll down until you find the option that says, Do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile? This setting determines whether search engines like Google or Bing can show a direct link to your Facebook profile in their search results. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch or check the box next to this option. Once you do, your profile will become discoverable to people searching for your name outside of Facebook. This setting can be especially helpful if you want to grow your online presence, connect with friends or colleagues, or make it easier for people to find you for professional reasons. And that's it. You've just made your Facebook profile accessible to search engines outside of the Facebook app, all from your PC. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to these settings and turn the option off. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your social media accounts. See you in the next video.